3. Writing. Integrated task. Page 62. Listening.
Okay, today I want to talk about another weather phenomenon, hurricanes. Hurricanes, also called typhoons or tropical cyclones, depending on where they form, hurricanes are very large storms. The winds of a hurricane circle around a central eye, an area in the middle, about 16 to 64 kilometers, or 10 to 40 miles wide, an area that's normally very calm, with no rain or clouds. Now, hurricanes form over water, over the Atlantic, Pacific, or Indian Oceans near the equator, usually in summer or late fall when the ocean water is warm. And after forming, they then move south or north toward the poles. Okay, but what about hurricane prediction? Well, fortunately for us, it's gotten much better over the past 50 years. Hurricanes take from 3 to 14 days to form, so they can be effectively tracked with modern technology like satellite and radar, so we can watch hurricanes as they form over the ocean and see where they're going. But the problem is that it's still difficult to predict the exact path of a long-lasting hurricane. It may travel up to about 6,400 kilometers or 4,000 miles and also change direction several times. So, even when there's a hurricane warning, the predicted path often changes as the storm gets closer to shore. Well, as far as the damage, the destructive power of hurricanes, I think we've all seen how devastating they can be. But fortunately, most hurricanes die out slowly as they move over cooler water and never hit land, so they never really cause any problems, except maybe to boats in the area. But, the hurricanes that do come to shore can be extremely destructive, with winds reaching up to 320 kilometers or 200 miles per hour just around the eye, and a damage path that extends about 400 kilometers or 250 miles out from the center of the eye. So when it hits land, a hurricane can cause extensive wind damage and flooding. And I'm sure you've seen on TV the aftermath of a hurricane, with vast areas damaged or destroyed. I mean, it can be just devastating. But hurricanes can't move very far inland, so after hitting large areas, they quickly lose strength over land, although there can still be a lot of wind damage and flooding from the rain.